Meteorologist Sam Postage is here. Sam, what's going on with this?
Yeah, well, it's a very confusing time for us in the Weather Center, Willis. We're dealing with record-breaking heat today and another very nice day tomorrow. A lot of sunshine and temps in the 80s and 90s, but then on Tuesday, everything just changes and it'll feel like January out there on Tuesday. I have a ton of model runs to show you here in a second, so I'm going to fly through some of your current conditions. Your Chamber of Commerce camera, there is some haze up in Teller County, also some haze in Colorado Springs. Our air qualities are listed at moderate today. For El Paso, Teller County, up into Denver, they're actually seeing some unhealthy air quality levels. There's nothing as far as precipitation goes for your evening forecast. Still some fire weather warnings out in the eastern plains through 8 p.m. tonight, as temperatures are on the warm side. Also pretty gusty on I-70 with gusts to about 35 miles an hour until 8 p.m. Still at 104 in Lamar. It is cooking in the southeast. 72 for Leadville. Triple-digit heat in Pueblo as they hit 103 this afternoon. 56 overnight in the Springs. 59 degrees in Pueblo for your overnight hours. Relatively seasonal, as for tomorrow's forecast, still fire weather concerns in the San Luis Valley and up across Chaffee County and I-80 Glenwood Springs area. So those are all for tomorrow. Critical fire weather, gusts to 35-40 miles an hour. Also relative humidities to about 8%, so dry and windy. 94 in Canyon City tomorrow afternoon. 97 in Pueblo. So still very, very warm for our Labor Day forecast. 89 in the Springs, putting us about 10 degrees above average for this time of the year, and this is where things get interesting. So the winter storm watches start for Tuesday. They go all through the day Tuesday, through Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Specifically just for the Palmer Divide in El Paso County, then all of Teller County is shaded under the winter storm watches, as well as Los Animas, the San Luis Valley, as some heavier snowfall is likely in the Sangres. The Sangres could be seeing upwards of 1.5 feet of snow by Tuesday night. Okay, so you're going to see this cold front drop on through. This is Monday night, and this is 9 p.m. Still 80 up into Denver, 66 in Colorado Springs, and then all of that cold air rushes through Colorado. So 33 degrees by our 6 o'clock hour on Tuesday morning, and you'll notice absolutely no warming to be had through the entire day on Tuesday. If anything, we're getting colder through into the afternoon. 24 in Salida. I actually find that temperature hard to believe. I think you're going to be in the single digits by Tuesday night. 37 degrees in Pueblo, and we'll be staying into the mid-20s through our Tuesday evening forecast. So that precipitation will have a hard time changing over to snow until we get to Tuesday afternoon. So it's likely in Colorado Springs by Tuesday morning, a light rain snow mix with snow up into the high country, rain most likely in the lower elevations of Colorado Springs, but then it'll change over to snow by Tuesday afternoon. All right, so Monday night again, future wind gusts. So we just discussed temperatures getting very, very cold, and then our wind gusts will be increasing as well. So notice Monday evening, 8 p.m. rolls around, pretty windy out in Kit Carson County, 20-mile-an-hour gusts in Colorado Springs. And then overnight into early Tuesday morning, strong winds will push down the I-25 corridor through the gap. We'll be gusting up over 40 miles an hour when that front moves through. Notice these strong winds even continuing through your late Tuesday morning, and look at the winds through Monarch Pass. I can guarantee you Monarch Pass on Tuesday afternoon is going to be very, very difficult to travel through. I wouldn't do it personally. Just plan ahead and try not to be traveling through the mountains on Tuesday night. All right, so here's your precipitation forecast. I know I'm going way over on time here, so unfortunately, I'll have to speed up here. Notice rain in the southern half of Colorado first, and then changing over to snow. The higher elevations getting that snow first, and then we'll just see that rain-snow mix in Colorado Springs, most likely snowfall by Tuesday evening. Heavier snowfalls likely for Tuesday afternoon and Tuesday night. Approximate snowfall accumulation numbers, 1.9 in Colorado Springs, with Douglas County anywhere from about 4 to 8 inches of snow. Teller County could be seeing that 8-inch mark on Tuesday as well. Woodland Park got to fly through this forecast. I'll hit the 7 days again in my final weather. 29 degrees on Tuesday. If anything, if you get anything out of this weather, just keep in mind Tuesday will feel like the dead of January, with snowfall and travel conditions deteriorating very, very quickly by Tuesday night. Pueblo at 97 degrees, sunshine for Labor Day, and then really a different picture on Tuesday, and struggling to rebound with those temperatures until the very end of the week. Thursday and Friday starting to get that sunshine again, but Tuesday will feel very